I welcome you to today's class, and just like I have here, one of my students was asking me to design something, and she said, "Sir, please can you help with video on how to design church content flyer, message and prayer points?" So let's assume we are starting this way, okay? So I'll be starting with the church flyer. So though I've already done this. I did this morning, but I was asked to redo it based on the color combination. So this is my background. So I'm trying to design a church flyer. Then copy and paste. You copy by pressing your Ctrl C. Then you paste by pressing your Ctrl V. Now this is how to design a church flyer. So don't forget that I am redesigning the stuff. Okay. Okay. Hope you are following, guys. So I put this here, change it to another color, which is white. Then this comes here. Okay. Okay. Then the dates comes here. Okay. Then the address comes here. Okay. Then the logo comes here. Sorry. Okay. All right. So presents. All right. You just try as much as possible to make your design so easy. Okay? So it's just as simple as this. Okay? It is just as simple as this. So if you don't like it in a straight form, you can as well slant it a bit. But I am using my shadow tool to give it a little bit of effect. Okay, a little bit of effect. Then you can use this. This is interactive tool to give it a kind of silver effect. Okay, silver effect. Well, let me see if this will work. No, so I prefer this. Okay, so it is as simple as this. Then I was told to do this. Free food for all. Free food for all. Free food for all. Can use this color. Shadow it a bit. Okay, so let me slant this a bit. All right, so I have do this design, and this is just how you can do a simple design. So she said message and prayer points. So for you to do a message, flyer, and prayer points, that means you must have gotten the typesetting already of the prayer points you wish to put on. So what you need to do is, after you must have done this for the program, this is the logo. You bring it in a small form, you arrange it here, then you delete present, then you bring this, which is the theme or what the church is presenting, you make it smaller a bit. Okay, you make it smaller a bit. All right, you bring it a bit here. Okay, bring this down a bit, then you remove this. Okay, then you bring this a bit down. Then you can then write your prayer point here at the middle. Okay, since it's a prayer point or a message, it has to be quoted. So I'm only using this as a sample, right? Using it as a sample, then you bold it a bit. Okay, you arrange it. You arrange this, okay, appropriately. We are just assuming that this is our prayer point or message. Okay, then you bring it and you bold it a bit, because that is the major points, the major words. All right, then you make sure it's being quoted. So you get a quote, shifts, you find a quote symbol on your keyboard, then you bring it up a bit, then you do this. Okay, please, if you're enjoying this class, make sure you like and share my video. All right, so this is how you can do this. And if you don't want to put this address, which is not necessary, you can delete it. Make sure this comes down a bit, then you bold it a bit. And this is how you can make and create. So if it is just a text messages, that is how you can do it. And if you're talking about a message that includes picture, so this is what you do. Once you must have set up your layout, do you get? Once this layout has been set, so what you need to do next is you go to where the pictures are. So I'm going to pick any of the picture here. Let me pick one of the picture here. Okay, let me pick this. So you just make sure you put it in a place that will be seen. You may decide to bring it, bold it, or make it smaller. So I would prefer this size. So once you must have traced your picture and do whatever you want to do, so you just place the picture here and you put the name. Okay, all right, then that is all. So now to give an effect to this type of design, or let me say to make it look more mature and professional, so if you're using CorelDRAW 2022, which is Corel 2022, so there is this place we do give out our effect, this very particular place. Click it on transparent tools, then you go to normal and you click on screen, and it looks more professional. So this is how you can design a flyer and also a message or text social media flyer design. So it is as simple as this. So before we go, let me teach you this as well. So this is a very good design, but still there is something you can do to make it look more professional. So the same thing we did here, we go to your transparent tool, go to normal, then click on overlay. Yippee. So you can see the difference, and these are the things you need to know before we get to the next level of design. So kindly do me well by subscribing to my channel if you're just joining, and also go and start watching my previous video on how to start designing, how to trace pictures in Photoshop, then how to do all these little things are the things that will enable you to gain momentum and start designing like a professional graphic designer. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll be expecting you in my next class. Bye.